Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. This is a must-watch video that I must admit, not because that I made it, but here I am going to share specifically 8 unique strategies for low capital traders. And in this series, it's going to be a series. In this series, we are going to explore each of these strategies specifically designed for the next month. Today, as we record this video, it is 14th of May. And next month, we are expecting the election results to come. And a lot of volatility, a lot of choppiness that we are able to see. And the small time traders are either making big money, but the fraction of people making big money is very negligent. The more people lose money in this choppiness, and they tend to lose almost all their capital in a day. So how can we be more reasonable? How can we have certain systems in place in order to be profitable in the market situation is the main objective of this series. With that note, I welcome you all to this video. So in this series, we are going to discuss 8 specific strategies tailored for next month, okay, which is June. We know that the elections are going on, and then there has been a lot of news coming, exit poll, predictions and company results, and there is a lot of global scenarios playing out. And a lot of actions you can see, even Nifty is like going up 200 points, 250 points in a single day, which never was the case in the past. But right now we are seeing enormous amount of volatility even in Nifty. So Nifty is acting like the new Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty is acting like Sensex, and Sensex is more like Bitcoin. So the kind of correlation is in terms of volatility is this way. And to sustain in this market, what can we do? And before we step into these 8 strategies, I will talk more specifically about what is the purpose of this video, right? The main purpose is, we know that the markets have become extremely volatile, and there are enormous amount of freak trades in the sense, market is trading at say 100 rupees, suddenly it is going to 250 rupees, and then next moment it is coming back all the way to 100 rupees, 100 or even 70 rupees it goes. All these actions are happening in fraction of seconds, that before even you could react to it, the trades are already done. And if you have placed some stop loss, it clears all the stop losses, and then goes all the way and comes back to the range that you are expecting again. So that's free trade. And then there are stronger moves. Suddenly there is market has been quiet, and then there is a burst. Like yesterday, 13th of May, you saw that the market has been going on the downside initially, and tried to recover, and the moment it crossed 200 EMA, it led to short covering rally, and there was a strong move, which most people were not prepared for. Although there are moves happening, the rate at which the erosion on the premiums that happens is also super crazy, particularly for the current week and the next week expiries are eroding super faster. If you are on the wrong side of the trade, you lose big money in shorter time. So people are booking daily losses, and people are indecisive of what to do, right? And this is quite evident. We see the kind of discussions happening all over the Twitter groups that we are part of, and everywhere the people are perplexed what's going to come next. So with that context, I am coming up with this series. The series focuses on specifically for option buyers, and who this is more suitable for: people with the capital of 1 to 3 lakhs, and somebody who is okay, fine, whatever I have lost is lost, but then I wanted to make a steady growth in terms of my learning, in terms of my capital. Then the strategies that I'm going to reveal here are going to be either low risk, moderate reward, or moderate risk, high reward strategies. And in specific, we are going to deal with 8 strategies meant for this sort of high volatile market. Right. And before I go further, please, all these strategies that I'm going to share here are for educational purpose. I'm not a SEBI registered guy. And don't come and tell me that, sir, you told me, so I initiated this process and then it went into big loss. I'm not responsible for how you deploy your money. I'm not responsible for how much profits that you make. This is purely for learning purpose. The best thing that I can say is try it out in the paper trade format. Whatever strategy that you want to experiment, put it in the paper trade, because these sort of markets are going to be more common. It's not that after election everything will be nullified, market will not move. No, nothing like that. This volatility has just begun and it will be the order of the day. Some days it will move, some days it won't move at all. But what you have to do is to follow a process and remain profitable. And the best way to do is to create your own strategies and come up with back testing. Go and experiment, play with the paper trades. There are many free paper trade strategy builders available. One is from Sensible itself. You can explore that. So these are certain things I want you to keep as a word of caution. I'm telling it right away because these are only to educate people, and it's not nothing that I am going to read from this, except that it's going to build a strong community. We can share and then cross learn. The more questions that you post in the comment section, I will also be learning. So it's going to be a mutual learning process. And let's try to understand why most people lose money in this market, right? Statistically, 95% of the option buyers are losing money. Why? Because as soon as they lose money, they get into this revenge mode. Oh my God, I lost, my capital is 1 lakh and then I have lost 20,000. Let me recover this 20,000 and then go aggressively without even thinking the possibility of losing their entire capital. So that is called a revenge trade. You are out of your mind. You're just going on placing order after order, and that leads to even bigger losses. So, which is also the reason why your risk management is very poor. And also it reflects upon what discipline that you have when you approach a market condition. See, people think that if I work, I can earn, say, 2,000 rupees a day sitting in some sort of office structure. And if I do the same good trade in a day, probably in the first hour itself, I can make 2,000 rupees. This is the greed that we all have. And this is the reason why people continue to be in the trading business, right? But at the same time, you need to understand it's a business. Every business has its own dedication, commitment, and discipline. If you forget any of these 3 qualities, then you are bound to fail, right? So you got to be disciplined, you have to have systems and process, and you got to stay committed, and dedication should be there in terms of the learning. And never do over trading. A lot of people lose money because even after making the profit, for example, you got a good short covering rally yesterday and then you were able to capture good money on the call side. And basically, let's say your daily target is about 2,000 rupees, but yesterday out of nowhere it blasted and then it gave you 10K. Then you don't stop there. You think that, okay, if I can make 10K, why not make most of it? And then you go on to put more money into the market. And then market consolidates, suddenly the premiums are dropping and then your profits are coming down. Then you see that from 10,000 your profit has become 5,000. Now you are under some sort of psychological trap. At least let me get back those 10K, right? So you invest again and then you will get into losses. Even though you are on the call side, a lot of people entered into loss because the CE value started depreciating towards the last 1.5 hours. So over trading is another reason, which is also a reflection of your greed, and lack of systems and process and self-control are the main reasons why option buyers lose money. right? So how can we beat this? There is only one mantra, that you don't have to trade on all the days. Please do understand that. So just because the market is open doesn't mean that it is time to make money. Yes, most of the buyers are looking for opportunities, but then there are days where you should also know when to trade and when not to trade. For example, per day target for you is 2000 rupees, and yesterday was extremely great, you made 10k. Now all you got to do is chill down, call it a day off, give yourself, like, assume that it is Saturday or Sunday. What will you do on a Saturday or Sunday? Probably you'll be watching some YouTube, probably you'll be reading some books, or maybe spend time with family. Those are the most important things. And you consciously take those breaks. If you don't take those breaks, market will break you down. Okay. So you may have a good trade setup. It is clearly telling you that yes, it is going to go up or down, but you don't have to really do the trading. You got to respect yourself. What do I mean by respecting yourself? Have this discipline. When I make more than what I have earned, I'm going to take a break. And that is the commitment for yourself. If you don't have that, if you don't respect that commitment, then whatever trade setup you have, however good it is, it's not useful. So another part is that there are a lot of successful stories that you come across. Some 18-year-old guy, some 21-year-old guy making some big money in shorter time, and then you also wanted to be one of those millions, and from 1 lakh you wanted to make 1 crore. That doesn't happen overnight, right? If that is the case, then we should have more number of millionaires from the 1 lakh community. But what is happening is the 1 lakh community is becoming poorer and poorer, and the crorepati is becoming more bigger and bigger. The reason is they believe in this process, slow and steady. Yes, market takes time to give you money, and you should also understand what are the different ways of making money in the market. And you got to go through this process, and this learning journey is about 5 to 7 years of efforts. If you want to get into writing and then build your capital and slowly going on. For example, you have 1 lakh. For 1 month, you are making only 2000 rupees. But you are able to make the 2000 rupees after all the brokerages consistently. It is fantastic. It is fantastic. I'm sure you will really be super successful if you are content with the slowness and steadiness, right? Then the money is going to flow into your pockets as a byproduct. Okay. And you got to also observe every 15 days that the market conditions are changing. Sometimes it is range bound for a series of days. Sometimes it's trending continuously. Sometimes it's trending and then consolidating. Sometimes it's consolidating for some time and then immediately breaking out on the same day. So a lot of changing market dynamics are there. You got to also observe, give yourself some time, and then make sure that you don't miss what's happening in the market. And very importantly, you should know when to play the game and which game to play. For example, you are an intraday player. In intraday, you made some good money, but also you are afraid that in a week's time that you expect some sort of strong reversals, and market can take counter direction. So should I be playing intraday, swing, or positional? These are the very important decisions that you got to make. Just because you call yourself a scalper or intraday trader doesn't mean that you have to stick with that game forever. You have to adapt to the market conditions, because I will tell you, there are many instances where you are expecting a breakout, market to go up. You have taken current week position, and market is not moving at all. It is just standing there. And on the day of expiry, you are expecting some sort of massive move, but market on the contrary goes down and your option price becomes zero. Then you lost all your capital. Then Friday, you see, Friday also there is no movement, and Monday there is a sudden gap up of 500 points. And if you had that position, you would have easily doubled your capital also, probably. But then you don't have the capital only by then, right? How many of you have experienced it? I had this bitter experience countless number of times. That's why I'm able to put it in words. So here is a challenge. for next 3 months, whichever strategy that you choose, whichever way that you wanted to play, intraday, positional, swing, your choice. Can you be in green after all the trading days, 3 months consecutively that you trade and be profitable? You know, that is some sort of personal challenges that you should set. You don't have to have a zero the whether you want to see yourself winning or not, 60 days challenge and all. That is all okay, but can you create your own challenge and then discipline? Stick to that, right? You don't have to trade all the days. Remember that. And now comes the most important aspect, which you have all been waiting for. Keeping all these things into consideration, how hard the market is, how difficult it is for the buyers to stay profitable consistently, I have come up with 8 strategies, and I'm going to reveal what are those 8 strategies that we will be discussing in this series. And here are the 8 strategies. First, you need to understand, I am telling it upright, this is a modified strategy. So if you go and see Sensible or Obstra and then select the predefined strategies, click on this long straddle or long Batman strategy, it will be showing you something predefined. Okay, the strikes are selected, the edges are selected, but then the capital is also predefined in that case. Sometimes the strategies, if you initiate one lot only, it will cross 1 lakh. Okay. So specifically in order to bring people of interest, here is low capital. Sir, I have exactly 1 lakh or lesser, 90,000 rupees, something like that. How do I initiate these strategies? For those reasons, I have made tweaks to all the strategies that's mentioned here, right? So repeatedly, I don't want to see the same comments, but then the strikes are different here. The strikes are different in Obstra. Why did you choose this? That is paying you better returns. Here we are making only 10,000, but that strategy is showing we can make 18,000. Yes, the more that you go with the capital, you will get better rewards. But the objective here is to see with the least capital that we have, what best can be done. In that context, all the strategies are customized. The first one is the Batman strategy, then long straddle, reverse jade lizard, and short iron fly. These 4 are non-directional strategies. We expect the market to stay in a particular range, say plus 1,000 to minus 1,000. Okay, probably 2,000 points of range we are expecting, or 1,500 points on the downside, 1,500 points on the other side. That sort of strategy. Okay, so first 4 are this way. And then, no sir, I know that the market is going to go up, and then this is what I am expecting. It is going to be, the election result is going to be positively affecting the market. I wanted 2 good strategies for the bullishness. Then bull call spread and range forward are those 2 strategies that I'm going to cover in this. No sir, I know the market is going to collapse, and bearishness is my view, and I wanted 2 good bearish strategies, then short call and bear put spread. But these are not the regular strategies which are predefined. It will be customized, and I will be posting all these videos one after the other in next 1 week time, 1 week to 10 days. I need to record and then put it in. But the good news is there is already a strategy which is published from this. That is the Batman strategy, which is already out, and there are a lot of viewers on that, comments on that. Please go through those discussions. It's pretty interesting. You can also learn a lot from those discussions. Do watch that video. I will also give the link in the description as well as in the cards. Next part is how each of these strategy will be dealt. The next video that I'm going to make will be on long straddle. If I'm making this long straddle, how this video will be structured. So It will talk about what is the capital required, what is the risk reward ratio, how to initiate it, when to enter and when to exit, what are the pros and cons of this strategy, and then it is going to give you the basic strategy, like what are all the legs and what will be the edges and what conditions you need to follow to initiate the basic strategy. And with the same capital, for example, you have only 1 lakh, how can you make adjustments with the capital, with the same capital, is what we are going to cover, right? But there will be a lot of people saying that if you do another leg of this, then it becomes bigger range and then we can get bigger money. Yes, that is all quite true. But if you have only, say, less than 3 lakhs, less than 1 lakh, then you cannot be bringing in new money. And I designed this structure keeping that we are going to use the same money which we originally deployed, and that will be the same thing used for adjustments as well. So the more professional adjustments which requires bigger capital, and if you have bigger capital, or say that you have only 3 lakhs and then you have initiated only for 1 lakh, then you can go on to try adjusting your positions with the free money that you have. But you have only 1 lakh, then you cannot do that adjustment, right? So that is all the thing I'm going to discuss. On top of that, by the end of each video, I'm going to give you a word of caution. What are the things that you might keep in mind, and certain do's and don'ts to this structure. I will be talking in that towards the end of that video. So finally, word of caution. Again, this is only for educational purpose. We are talking only about the bare minimum strategy. Adjustments can increase the winning odds, but then you need more money. And all this involves right amount of money deployment and risk management. You cannot be, going overboard and say that, okay, I have 3 lakhs, let me deploy entire 3 lakhs and then see. Because if 1 lakh I invest, I get about, say, 6,000 rupees by 50 days. Let me put in all my money, then I will be able to make 18K. No, that's not right. Then you are not doing a good money deployment and the risk management. You're not doing it effectively. So better risk is always possible, but as I said, it requires bigger capital. What I would strongly advise people to do here is do paper trading. Do not even initiate any of these positions for June month, because you are responsible for your money. And just some random YouTuber suggesting something and then you go on to pump in your money and lose it. You cannot go and ask anyone. It is your money that's been wiped off, right? So hundreds of people like me will come and go. They will say something, but then it is your money. You got to take ownership and responsibility for how you deploy it. So please do paper trade. For next to 3 months also, you can do paper trade and see how it works. Okay, Satish has said something like this. Let me try for next 3 months and see the results. If it works, then great. You can further explore those options later. But first you need to have that experimental mind rather than, okay, how much money I can make. Money making can happen later. It is only a byproduct. Your time, your efforts, your labor, and your dedication is all that matters. So with that note, I am ending this video and see you all with the second strategy, that is long straddle. The first strategy is already out, Batman strategy. If you haven't seen it, please do watch it. Have a great day.